So in this video, we will talk about 10 questions. Question number 1, based on time and work. All right. So in this question, it is given that A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 20 days, right? And with the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Means if they will come together, they can complete this work in 4 days, right? So the question is C alone can do this work in how many days? Okay. Now how to do this question? Now there are multiple ways to do solve these type of question, but my suggestion to you, s- by by assuming work, you can start this question. Means you have to assume some work that A, B, and they together, what amount of work they are doing. So for this suggestion, I will suggest you assume that number which is completely divisible by 16, 12, and 4, right? And we can see that the LCM of 16, 12, 4 will be 48, right? 48, right? Okay, so I'm assuming this is the work. You can also assume you work 1 unit. Answer will never change. Okay, so make my calculation easy. I am assuming work is 48, right? If the work is 48 unit, so let's say write down here efficiency. Efficiency means 1 day work. So what is the 1 day work of A? If in 16 days A is doing 48, means in 1 day 4 unit. If B is doing 48 in 12 days, sorry, this is 3, right? So if B is doing 48 in 12 days, means B can do in 1 day 4 unit. And they're together doing this 48 in 4 days. So this is 12 unit. All right. So they all are doing in 1 day they are doing 12 unit work, right? So we can see that A in 1 day A can do 3 unit work. In 1 day B can do 4 unit work. In 1 day C can do how much work? If the total is 12, definitely 7 plus 5, 5 unit, right? So the conclusion is C can do 5 unit work in 1 day. So C can alone can do the job in how many days? So total work is 48. So you can note down 48 unit work can be completed in 48 by 5, right? So answer will be 5 9 45, 3 by 5. So 9 3 by 5 days. Okay. So this is the answer of the question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says A, B, C can do a work individually. They can work in 20 days, 30 days, 60 days, right? Now, these are the days. Question is, in how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Means, first day A will do work, second day B will do work, third day, sorry, second day again A will do work. Third day A and B and C will assist him. So A, B, C, they all will do work, right? Again, fourth day A, fifth day A, sixth day again A plus B plus C, and this is the pattern given in the question, right? So the same step I will do. I will assume work, right? What is the work? A number which is completely divisible by 20, 30, and 60. And we know that number is 60. Okay, so I will assume they all are doing. So they all are doing 60 unit work. Okay. One second. I think again I have to share PPT. Okay. So this is the question number 2. A, B, C. A can do work in 20 days, B in 30 days, C in 60 days, right? So you will assume what amount of work they are doing. You will assume by yourself, let's say 60. Why? Because why I'm assuming 60, it's not like that you have to assume only 60. You can also assume 120, you can also assume 90. This will not affect your answer. I'm assuming a number which is completely divisible by the given number of days to make my calculation easy. So 1 day work will be 3 of A, 3 unit of A, 2 unit of B, and 1 unit of C, right? Question is if A can do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day. So A, first day A, second day also A, third day A plus B plus C, and this will repeat, right? So in how many days work will be completed? So you will see that in 1 day A can do how much work? 3 unit. Again, second day A will come 3 unit. third day they all will come. So 3 to 5, 1, 6, 6 minutes, right? So this will repeat now. So in 3 days, in this way, the work will be completed how much? 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 12, right? 12 unit. So in the next 3 days, again 12 unit will be completed. Okay. So my suggestion to you, 12, 5, 60 and 3, 5, 15. So we can easily say in 15 days, 60 unit work will be completed, and this is the amount of work they have to do, right? So your answer will be 15 days. All right. Now we have question number 3. This is from the profit and loss. A vendor bought toffee 6 for a rupee, means vendor bought for CP of 6 for a rupee, means at 1 rupee 6 toffee he will buy, right? Or she will buy. For how many rupee must he sell to gain 20%? Means if he is getting or she is getting gain 20%, vendor is getting gain 20%, right? So how many for a rupee must he sell? How many for a 1 rupee he must sell, right? So what is the logic? Logic is, if he is getting to gain 20%, definitely one at 1 rupee he is buying, right? Vendor is buying. If he is gaining 20%, definitely the 120% you need to find out. Why? Because he is getting 20% gain, right? So definitely purchased at 1, so final amount is 120 by 100, which is 6 by 5. Yes or no? So the 6 number of toffee he bought at rupee 1 but sold at 6 by 5 rupee. So you can easily say, if for a 6 by 5 rupee he sold, a vendor sold 6 toffees. So how many toffee he will sold, the vendor will sell at 1 rupee. So 6 by 5. Your answer will be 5 toffees. Okay, done. Question number next. Next question is again from the profit loss. Percentage profit earned by selling an article this. Okay, selling an article this. Okay, so if SP is 1920, profit percent earned by selling article this is equal to the percentage loss incurred by selling the same article at 12,1280, right? Okay, at what price should the article be sold to make gain 20%? So what is the CP? What is the SP? And the profit is 25%, right? All right. So what logic can we use? Okay. So profit percent is what? Profit percent means profit by CP into 100, right? Basically 1920 minus CP. This is the profit upon CP into 100. This is the profit percent, and loss percent will be CP minus SP divided by CP into 100, right? Okay, so CP cancels, 100 cancel. 1920 plus 1280 equals to double of CP. Result is 0, 8 to 10, 1 carry 10 to 12, 1 carry 3, and divided by the 2. 1600, right? If CP is 1600, if you need profit 25%, what is the selling price? This is the question. Nothing. The gain is 25%. Just find out the 125% of CP. This is 5 by 4. 4, 4, 16. The answer will be 2000. All right. So this is the answer of the question. Next question we have is, this is from the ages, right? Present age of Samir and Anand are in the ratio this. Samir and the Anand, the ratio of age is 5:4, right? 3 year hence means after 3 years. After 3 years, what will happen? Ratio of their ages will be 11:9. Okay. So Anand present age you need to find out, right? So what you will do? Simple. Let's say right now if it is for 5x, 4x. If you let 3 here, 3 here, this ratio will become 11 by 9. Divided 9 by 45x, 9 3 27, 11 4 48, 11 3 33. So this x 33 minus 27 will be 6. So x value is 6. So definitely this is 4 into 6, 24. Your answer will be 24, right? Okay, this is the answer. We have next question. Next question is from the simple interest. There is 60% increase in an amount in 6 year at simple interest. Means let's say initial is 100. Final amount will be 60% increase. 116, how many years? 6 years. All right. So what will the compound interest? You need to find out what is the compound interest on rupees. On rupees 12,000 in 3 years. Okay. At the same rate, the rate you are getting here, right? Okay. You need to find out compound interest in this case. So can we claim one thing? If the profit is this, amount is this, can we say the profit is 60 rupees, right? So in 6 year, if person is getting 60 rupees profit, so in 1 year, definitely 10 rupees, and 100, 10 is what percent of 100? 10%, so rate is 10%. Yes or no? Okay. So you need to find out CI. I told you, if you know the logic, if you want to find out compound in the case of 3 year, logic you can use is amount equals to principal 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. So 12,000 multiply 11 by 10, 11 by 10 and 11 by 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 11 cube we know 1331, multiply 1331 with the 12. So 1331 with the 12. So 212, 236, 236, 212, 1331, 27951, 15972. Principal is this. So just subtract it if you want to find out CI. 2793972, that is your answer. There are multiple ways to solve this question. The reason I'm telling you the formula method, because right now in this situation that will be easy for you to understand, right? Okay. Now we have this question, a motorboat. This is from the boat and stream, right? A motorboat whose speed is this in still water. Assume this is 15. Goes 30 km downstream. Downstream means the river direction and the boat direction is same. So distance equal to speed equal to distance upon time. Distance is speed into time. So speed is what? 30 km downstream means time equals to and comes back in total of now. We have to solve this question in a different manner. Why? Because the situation is totally different here. Situation is 30 km downstream and comes back, okay, in 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So time equal to distance by speed, right? So time is 4 hours 30 minutes, right? Okay. Time equal to what? The time taken in the downstream direction. Distance. Time is distance over speed. Yes or no? So time is distance over speed. Okay. So how much time will take? Time is distance over speed in the downstream x plus y. Time taken by him when he will come back. Time is distance will remain same. That is x minus y because it's an upstream situation. Okay. So this is 4 plus half, which is 9 by 2. Okay. Done. And value of x is given to you 15, 15 plus y, 15 minus 15 plus y, 15 minus y. Y value you need to find out, right? So 339, 10, 10. Okay. So the result is 10 upon 15 plus y plus 10 upon 15 minus y. That is equals to 3 by 2. Okay. So this is you can solve it and you will get the answer value of y, right? My suggestion to you, whatever option you will get in the exam time, put the option value of y, then equate LHS, RHS, then you will get your answer, right? Now this question is from the PNC. Question is, in how many different ways can the letter of the word leading be arranged in such a way that low vowels always come together? So Leading. So vowels here, here, here. There are 3 vowels and there are 4 consonant, right? E-A-I. Okay. So in total, if they will be together, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to arrange 5 blocks, right? All are different into the arrangement of these vowel together. So result is 120 into 6, which is 720, right? That is your answer. Okay. Next we have is 2 red, 3 green, and 2 blue. 2 balls at random you need to withdraw, right? Probability that none of them is blue. None is blue. Okay. None is blue. What can you do? Sir, probability, how to find a probability? Denominator should be total is 7. 7C2 and numerator will be none is blue. Means you need to find out 2 balls out of these 3 plus 2, 5, right? That is your answer. Okay. The last we have is from the non-verbal series. Find out the which will come next after A, B, C, D, E. What is the pattern they are following? Please understand. If you will focus on one thing, if you will focus on cross will shift on the right hand side and that this will go on there, right? Basically, this will come here and this will go there, right? Yes or no? Getting the point. So what logic you can use? Simply, you can say, so everywhere this is happening, this is going here and this is coming here, right? This is coming here, right? This is going here. Yes or no? This is coming here. This is going here. This is coming here. This is going here. This is coming here. This will going here. So definitely equal to should be there. Yes or no? Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Right? And question mark should be question mark. Sorry. Question mark should be here. Equal to should be here. Yes or no? So out of these two, we have to select. But this is same, this is same. These three are same. We need to select out of these two. How to select, please understand. Okay. Can you notice that this is shifting here, this is shifting here, this is shifting here, this is shifting here. So definitely triangle should be there. So triangle is only here. That's why option number 2 is the right answer. Okay. So I believe these 10 questions will help you. Okay. And you can learn more number of questions from different website. Okay. Or you can ask a question. Thank you.